Spring brings in more shoppers, more deals, and more opportunities to grow your business. But to reach full potential, your store needs to be ready. Elementor doesn't just give you tools, it helps make your store a success. Elementor has many pro features in the editor that can optimize your store, boost sales, and keep your visitors engaged. Spring sales don't last forever. A countdown timer creates urgency and encourages customers to act fast before the deal disappears. Turn visitors into customers before they leave. Pop-ups and forms help you collect leads, offer exclusive discounts, and personalize the experience with multi-step forms. A fresh new season calls for a fresh new look. With loop grids, you can beautifully showcase your products and inspire more purchases. You can even display badges for sales and discounts or add a static banner inside the grid. Make shopping effortless with the menu cart widget, because it's all about making the shopping experience as quick and seamless as possible. Floating bars allow you to display important messages like coupon codes or special sales and create urgency. Leaving already? Not so fast. Exit intent pop-ups help you recover lost sales. And of course, your visitors need a smooth experience and your store should always run at peak performance. Updating to the latest Elementor version 3.28 gives you that and more. Faster load times, new cache management tools, and enhanced design controls, so you can create the perfect shopping experience for your visitors. Spring holidays are nearly here, so get your store ready. Upgrade to Elementor Pro today and make this season your most successful one yet.